This module gives tuition on the basic features of the Bible section. To access the Bible, tap the Bible icon. The icon is identified by a Bible silhouette. When you tap the Bible icon, you will see the screen change color. Also, a red spinning circle will appear for approximately 3 to 5 seconds to notify you that the Bible screen is loading. Do not press anything during this process. When loaded, the Bible will open at the last passage you read. The Bible screen can be viewed either in portrait format or by rotating the tablet 90 degrees, it can be viewed in landscape format. The navigation menu switches Bible versions and gives easy access to Bible books and chapters. It lets you select a passage quickly and view a history of viewed references. It also controls Bible audio versions where applicable. The Bible navigation pane is positioned at the top of the screen. The first control on the second row allows you to switch between Bible versions. The default version is KJV. This default can be changed and the process will be demonstrated in a later module. To change Bible version, tap on the first control on the second row. A drop-down menu will appear listing all available versions. Please note that the version shown here may be different from what has been loaded onto your electronic library. 3 animated lines will appear for 2 to 3 seconds to indicate that the version is loading. Do not press anything during this process. The chosen translation page will now be displayed. You can easily change the book and chapter reference using the navigation menu. To change the Bible book, tap the middle control. A drop-down menu will display all the Bible books. Tap on the desired book to select it. 3 animated lines will appear for 2 to 3 seconds to indicate that the version is loading. Do not press anything during this process. The selected Bible book will now be displayed. To change chapter, tap the third control. A drop-down menu will appear showing all chapters within the current book. Tap on a chapter number to select it. Alternatively, you can choose a Bible book and chapter by pressing here. A new panel will open. Tap a chapter number from a Bible book to view it. You can search the Bible for words or phrases. The app will produce a list of results for the Bible version you select. You can also search for Strong's reference numbers, but that will be covered in another module. Tap the magnifying glass icon at the top of the navigation menu to open the search panel. The search panel will appear over the current passage. You can choose which Bible version to search by tapping on the first control. Tapping the middle control box will make the virtual keyboard appear at the bottom of the screen. Then you can type your search word or Strong's reference. Press the magnifying glass to the right of the search bar to begin the search. Please wait until the app finishes searching. Results appear in a list and show matching verse references and passages. Your search words will highlight in yellow. The total number of search results will display on the top right. You can view a list of all the passages you have read in the current session using the History Navigation feature. Tap the control to the right of the search icon. A list of previous references will appear. Tap on a reference to open it again. Notes can be made and saved for future reference. At the bottom of the Bible screen there is a yellow bar. Tap this bar to open the Notes panel. The screen will split in two. Tap Add Note or anywhere in the white area to enter a note. A keyboard will appear for you to type your notes. When you have finished, tap the yellow bar and the screen will return to full Bible view. A later tutorial will explain how to view previously saved notes. Bible verses can be copied and pasted onto the Notes panel. Press and hold part of a verse. A menu will appear and the text will highlight in blue. Beside it there will be two red selecting points. Lift your finger off the screen, then press and hold one of the red selecting points. Drag your finger over the desired text you want to save, then lift your finger off the screen. Tap Copy to save the verse to the app's memory. Open the Notes panel by tapping the yellow bar. Then tap in the white Notes section where you want the verse to appear. Press and hold your finger down until a menu appears showing the option Paste. Tap Paste to insert the copied text. When you have finished making notes, press the yellow bar and the screen will return to full Bible view. Notes will automatically be saved. An audio Bible is available for certain versions. However, you need to have internet access to use this facility. Tap the speaker icon to listen to the current chapter. If the device cannot access the audio files, nothing will happen. The audio Bible can be paused by tapping the icon on the left. To mute or unmute the sound, tap the icon on the right. Tap the speaker icon again to hide the audio panel. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.